Yun, wala sa Greenland yan. Nasa Pinas lang meron yan. Oy, shout out paring Ronnie. It's all good in the hood. Yun, no? Alright. Kwek-kwek. Kwek-kwek ng Pinas.
Kahit di lang uminom, hindi ka na.
Yun, parang yun. It's all good in the hood. Alright, it's all good in the hood. Alright, it's all good in the hood. Yeah. Ay, sorry. Alright. It's all good in the hood. Yeah, boy. Yun, napakagaling naman natin ang the griller. With the parang rod. It's all good in the hood. May torch tayo dyan. Ang lupit. Hey, shabu-shabu!
Uy, Chap, pag si Joy may isawa mo.
Ay, kaya niya na yun, te.
Sarap, shabu-shabu. Nice one.
Excuse me.
Ito, perfect, suka.
Noodles.
Yun, akalain mo meron sa Greenland yan. Uy, grabe, ang sarap naman ng sukang, the best. Tag-10 isang pulang, Bili na dyan, mga kapitbahay,
Kano na ba yung kwek na ganyan? Ano sa Pinas na yung pina? 20? 20?
Easy pa yun nung
It's all good in the hood.
Galing ko lang. Polish.